Hi guys, today we are going to do ratna. Ratna is a famous Thai street food made with rice noodle and gravy. There's quite a few types of ratna, but most popular is the dish with white rice noodle or sen yai, as we call in Thai. Sen yai can be hard to find, but you can make it at home. I will leave a card to my video showing you how now. There will be a link in the description too. Let's go make tasty ratna. Let Katie and Dee tell you about the ingredients for ratna today.
Rice noodle, shrimps, squid, corn, carrot, mushroom, kale, sugar, oil, water.
What about you, Dee?
Oyster sauce, soy sauce, Chinese rajma, potato starch, dark soy sauce, sesame oil.
Chicken stock. Let's boil squid and the shrimps first. So the seafood, we don't have to cook them too long, otherwise they get tough. Add a little bit of oil to stir fry noodle. Add a little bit of black soy sauce. Done. And then set aside. Next step, we stir fry the vegetable. And for the kale, I only use the stem like this. We don't want to green on the dish. Put stock in. Put the seafood back into the pan and then season with a little sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of black soy sauce. Don't forget to taste it and adjust the ingredient as you go. And then this one, Chinese wine, we put last just to get the smell. Oh, before you put the potato starch in, you need to stir it up. The potato starch will make the soup thick. You can adjust it as you want.